Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix a screen brightness won't change problem in Windows 10. So if I go to the notifications area, from here you can change the brightness. So if I increase it, then it is increasing. You may not see it because the screen recorder doesn't record it. So there are two methods in order to fix it. Go to the Windows search bar here and type in device manager here. Okay, now open up the device manager. Now look out for monitor section here. Now you can see monitors is here, expand the monitor and you will find generic PHP monitor. Now right click on this one, and if you see enable device, then you need to click on that. Right now it is enabled on my laptop. Okay, so click on enable device. So if it is already enabled, right click on this one and click on the update driver section. Now click on the second option, that is browse for my computer for driver software. Again click on the second option, let me pick from a list of available drivers. Now click on the generic PHP monitor here and click on next here. Now Windows will install the latest drivers from here. As you can see, Windows has finished installing the drivers for this device, successfully updated. Okay, close this one. Now now restart your computer. So if it does not fix your brightness problem, then again go to the device manager and now look out for the display adapters here. Okay, go to the display adapter, expand it, and you will see maybe one display adapter or maybe two display adapter. So what you need to do is you need to update each and every one of them. Okay, so right now I have only Intel SD graphics. Right click on this one and click on the update driver. Again you need to do the same process. Click on browse my computer and let me pick from a list of available drivers. So you'll see maybe 2 or 3, just check out according to the dates or simply select the first one, whichever is coming. So right now you can see 2016 is written, so this one is the latest one. So I will click on next here. Now it will install the drivers. Your screen may go blank while installing these drivers, okay, because it is the display adapter. So you don't need to fear for anything. Now you can see that Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close out this window and close the device manager and restart your laptop or PC, and your problem of screen brightness won't change in Windows 10 will be completely fixed. Thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.